A problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is find the angle between the chord of the circle given by x square plus y square, this is equal to ax plus by, obtained by joining the origin to the point of intersection of the straight line given by x by a plus y by b, this is equal to 1, and the circle. Okay, what is the meaning of the problem? We have to find the angle between the chord. It is clear that this is the circle and the center is at a by 2 comma b by 2, the center of the circle, and this circle must passes through the origin because 0 0 satisfy the equation. So let this is the origin, this is the origin O, coordinate is 0 0. Okay, and the point of intersection of the straight line and the circle, the straight line is passes through the center of the circle. This is the center, a by 2 b by 2. If we put a by 2 and b by 2 here, then we get 1 from the left side. So clearly the straight line is looks like this. This is x by a plus y by b, this is equal to 1, and we have to find the angle between the chord. Which chord? The chord passes through the intersection of the straight line and the circle joining to the origin. So we have to draw two chord. The one chord is like this, OA, and another chord is OB. Okay, clearly from the picture we see that these two chords are perpendicular to each other because this is the semicircular angle, this is the semicircular angle, this is pi by 2. Geometrically easily prove this problem, but analytically if we solve this problem, then we have to find the pair of straight line OA and OB passes through the origin and the point of intersection of the circle and the straight line. Okay, so we first write here the equation of circle, x square plus y square, this is equal to ax plus by, and this is named as 1, and the straight line is x by a plus y by b, this is equal to 1, this is named as 2. Now equation of pair of straight line, pair of straight line passes through the origin and the point of intersection, of 1 and 2 is given by making homogeneous 1 with the help of 2. This is very important process, making homogeneous 1 with the help of 2. Now we have to make homogeneous 1 with the help of this line. So we get x square plus y square, this is equal to ax plus by into 1, and we put the value of 1, this is equal to x by a plus y by b. So this is ax plus by into a by x, this is x by a, y by b, right? And we get by multiplying the right side is x square plus y square plus a by b plus b by a into xy. Okay, and this gives xy equal to 0 because this and this cancel out. So xy equal to 0, and show the pair of lines pair of lines OA and OB are x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and obviously this is y axis and this is x axis. So angle between them is pi by 2. Clear? So this is the answer. We find the answer by geometrically, also by analytically, and this is the process, and this is the important term or important process of this type of problem. Okay, thank you for watching.